Good day everyone. Welcome back to Educate Yourself. So, we are going to start our session with PHP operators. So, what is actually the operators? Operators are used to perform the operations on variables or and values. So, what are the different kinds of operations that are available in PHP? Let's see. First one is arithmetic operations, doing some arithmetic operations, and assignment operation, assigning the values, comparison operators for comparing the values, increment or decrement operators, string operators, array operators, and conditional assignment operators. So these are the different operators that are available in the PHP. Let's get into each of one now. So the first one is PHP arithmetic operators. So what this arithmetic operators for? They are used with the numeric values to perform common arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. So let's see how we define these operations. So the operator here is plus. If plus is the operator, it has the name addition, as we know that. And how to implement that here? We know that this each one are actually the variables. X and Y are the variables, and when you need to add this, all you need to do is just write a code for this like this. That means just add, just use the simple or the operator addition for adding two different variables. Then the result will be sum of the two variables that are you used. And next one operator for the arithmetic operations are subtraction. So this is a simple for subtraction, and when you need to subtract the value of a variable x with the variable y, you can use this operator, and here the result will be the difference of x and y. And the same way, the another one is multiplication, which is the representation is like this, and this is a simple for that, or this is the operator for multiplication, and you will get a result as the product of the variables you have used like that. The next operator, arithmetic operator, is division, and this is how to define a division. And what will be the result? It will be the quotient of the variables x and y. And the another arithmetic operator is modulus. So this is the operator for modulus, and this is how we define this modulus operation. And what is the function, or what is the result actually using this modulus operator? That is, it will give the remainder of two variables that we use here as x and y. And the last one is exponentiation. So this is the operator for exponentiation, and this is how we define this operation. And what is the use, or what is the result? The result of raising x to the y power. So we know that how to write or how to define the exponentiation. So for that cases, what you need to just write two chars like, or two multiplication operators, and that will become a exponentiation operator. Okay, so that's about the arithmetic operators. And the next one is assignment operators. So these operators are used with the numeric values to write a value to a variable. So whenever you need to write some values to the variable or some other variables, or some other whatever be the thing that you are going to write these values, what you all need some assignment operators to assign that value, so to write that values. Okay, so there are many more assignment operators. Let's get into them. The first one is equal to simple. So this is the expression for assignment operator, simple assignment operator, and it is what actually same as x is equal to y. That means what? Actually these x and y's are actually the variables here. Okay, so the left operand gets set to the value of the expression on the right. So when you write an assignment operation like this, the left operand is, here it is x, will set to the value of the expression on the right. So it will automatically set the value of that expression to the right one too. So this is the way you can use this assignment operators. So the next one is, as you can see, x plus equal to y. That will give a meaning, or it will be either same as what x is equal to x plus y. That means using this, actually what you are doing, you are just adding both the x and y values and then assigning it to the first one or the left operand. Okay, that is the way used to assign operators in addition. So the next one is subtraction operation, assignment using subtraction. So you can write it like this: x minus equal to y, which will give a meaning, or which is same as that x is equal to x minus y. That means here you will find the difference between x and y first, then we'll read or assign that value to the left operand or the first operand. Okay, so the next, division, assignment using division. That means we'll write a expression like this: x, that division symbol or that operator, equal to, that is the assignment operator, then the variable. What will actually happen here? We'll assign the quotient of x and y to the x itself, or that variable itself. Okay, so the next one is also modulus, assignment using modulus operator. That is, as you can see, this is a variable x and this is a symbol or the operator for modulus operation and is equated to y. That means what will actually happen, it will find the modulus or the remainder of x and y and then it assigned to the x value. And now we can see the another PHP operator, that is PHP comparison operator. As you know, as you all know, that this comparison is normally for to compare two different values, number, string, everything. Okay, so the first operator in comparison operator is equal. Its name is equal, but you can use two equal symbols there. And here is an example to compare two different values using equal. Let's see that a variable x is actually compared using equal operator. And what's actually the meaning here? Whether this x is equal to the value of y. And the result here is it will return true if x variable is equal to the y variable. Okay, so in order to check two different variables are equal, you can use this equal comparison operator. So the next one is identical. That you can see three equal signs there. For identical, you need you need to write it like this in order to find both are identical or not. Then the result here will be, it will return true if the variable x is equal to the variable y and they are of same type. So that is the difference between an equal and an identical operators that you all need to think about and keep in mind that equal is just to check whether they are equal, whereas in identical case it will also check whether they are equal and will also, or it will return true only if they both are same type. So the next one is not equal. As you can see, not equal. This is the operator for not equal comparison operator. And this is the way you can express this comparison using this not equal operator. Returns true if x is not equal to y. Yeah. Whenever these two values become not equal, it will return a true value. So the next one is not equal. That this is another example, or this is the another comparison operator, and this will be like this, that will check whether they are greater or lesser. It will return the value if x is not equal to y. Okay, so the next one is not identical. As you can see, actually these identical have got three equal symbols, and here we can see one has got change to a not symbol. That means whenever you need to check whether two variables are not equal, you all need to write an expression like this, and it will return true if the variable is not equal to y and also they are of not of same type. Okay, this is exactly opposite to what they are in the identical. Okay, So the next one is the next operator, comparison operator is greater than. So how we'll define this expression? This is an example whether or to check whether this variable x is greater than that of y. It will return true when or if the x is greater than y. And this is the operator for comparison, operator for less than. Okay, so here it will check whether the variable x is less than the variable or the value of y, and it will return true when the x is less than y. This is actually greater than symbol with an equal to, so that you can call it as a greater than or equal to operator, comparison operator. You all need to write it just like this, and it will return a value when the variable x is greater than, or it can be a value equal to that of y. So you need to check two different things, but here it will check all together. If x value is greater than y, or it is equal to the value of y, then this statement or this operator returns true value. Okay, so this is exactly opposite to that. It will check this is less than or equal to. Here it will compare the two different values in x and y, whether they are or the value of x is less than or equal to y, then returns true when this condition becomes true. So this is actually another one, that is spaceship. This is actually introduced in PHP 7. Okay, so here you can see this is the expression for writing this, and let's see the contents or how it works and what is the result. It will return a integer less than or equal to or greater than 0 depending on if the variable x is less than equal to or greater than y. So for multiple checking or multiple conditions checking, you can simply use this one, that is called the spaceship operator. So in the next session, we can come back with the balance operators in PHP. Thank you.